Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel ADL Pharmacy. Friends, today is your topic anti-tumor. Anti-tumor is the most important topic of pharmacognosy. So today we read anti-tumor topic of pharmacognosy. I would like to tell you before starting the video, if you did not subscribe to our channel, so subscribe to our channel. So let's start video. What is anti-tumor? Anti-tumor or anti-cancer or antineoplastic drug is effective in treating malignant or cancerous disease. Alkylating agent, antimetabolites, neutral products, and some hormones are major classes of anti-cancer drugs. Anti-tumor category first drug Vinca. Vinca corsada or periwinkle is commonly grown in India. It has its origin in Madagascar. Two varieties of Vinca, namely pink and the white colored flower varieties, are grown for their medicinal values. Synonyms: Catharanthus, periwinkle, and Sadabahar. Biological source: Vinca is the dried whole plant of Catharanthus roses of Vinca roses family. Family Apocynaceae. Geographical source: Vinca is native to Madagascar. It is grown as an ornamental plant in India, South Africa, USA, Europe, Australia, and Caribbean islands. Morphological characters: color: leaves are green, roots are pale grey, and flowers are violet, pink, white, or carmine red colored. Odor characteristic: taste bitter. Roots: branched tape root. Leaves: simple, petiolate, ovate, or oblong, unicostate, reticulate, entire, brittle, with acute opaque and glossy appearance. Flowers: branchiated, pedicellate, complete, hermaphrodite, 2 to 3 cm in cymose axillary clusters. Fruits: follics with several black seed. Chemical constituents: Vinca contains a large number of indole alkaloids, of which around 20 dimetic indole dihydroindole alkaloids exhibit oncolytic activity, vincristine and vinblastine being the most significant ones. Vindoline contains catharanthine, can indole alkaloid part, and vindoline, cadihydroindole alkaloid part, as melasine, listerine, serpentine, and tetrahydrolestatine are the other alkaloids of Vinca. Chemical test: the crystals of vincristine sulfate C46, H56, and 4O10 upon S2SO4 are obtained from ethanol and are found to be unstable. Uses of Vinca: its leaves and stems are a source of alkaloids which have anti-tumor and anti-cancer properties. Point number 2. Its alkaloids are sedative and tranquilizer. Point number 3. Its leaves are used for controlling diabetes and high blood pressure. Point 4. It relieves muscle pain and depression. Point 5. It controls nosebleeds, bleeding, gums, mouth ulcer, and sore throats. Point 6. On internal administration, it is helpful in gastritis, cystitis, enteritis, diarrhea, diabetes, etc. Point 7. It ensures brain health as the active ingredients improve blood supply to the brain, increase the oxygen level brain can utilize. Point 8. Vincamine alkaloid keep the blood thin and act as a memory enhancer, thus is used in preventing dementia.